Yeah, hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to use Docker image in your office, in your IT company. So I'm taking a risk to show you this video for educational purpose. So here in this video we're going to do create a Docker image in the Kubernetes cluster, but that Kubernetes cluster owned by some IT company. So this is how you have to do in your work. So here I'm taking risk to show you. So understand the safety purpose and please support me for this much risk at least. Okay. So before we go into this video, like and subscribe our channel for more this tech risk related content. So we can still go into the video. Follow Tech Ashkira. So okay, in this video you want a Docker desktop. I have already installed the Docker desktop. If you don't have the Docker desktop, you go to the browser and download Docker desktop. So here you can see Docker desktop for Windows. So I'm showing you on Windows because Windows is difficult. So I will teach you on Windows. If you want Linux, so for Linux I will post a separate video same like this. So I'm telling you now, this is not a basic video. This is a intermediate. You can keep it as an intermediate. Okay. So for basic installation steps, if you can message in command or message me in social media to DM me or mention in command you need an installation, so I can post a separate video. So here you can download a Docker desktop for Windows. You can download this x86. You can check if this 64-bit is too good, guys. You this 64-bit only support your laptop or system as well. So you can download this one. Once you download it, don't forget to install the necessary library files for Docker. That is mandatory. So then only you can unlock some command in command prompt. So I will show you how it's Docker. So this is the Docker desktop. Here you can see the images. Here you can see the containers. I'm hiding you because this is, I already mentioned, this is some parties owned this, not ours. You have to pay for the cluster, guys. So I will show you how to install Kubernetes also. Here you can go to the setting, then in setting you came to the Kubernetes. Before it is disabled, you have to enable and you have to restart. Once you done the restart, Kubernetes will become, it's showing like a Kubernetes is running and a Docker is running. You no need to open Docker desktop each and every time. It will be run automatically. Even if you close, it will be running in background. So this is how the Docker installation steps, not completely, just a basic, guys. You want installation, just to mention in comment. So hereafter I also prepared for one document for you guys for installation. I will attach this document in my local, not in local, I will attach this document in description. You can download it. Okay, so this is how the steps. You have to download the Docker desktop and I give you the command also. You can follow these things, enable the settings properly so you can easily. And the necessary library files you have to install must Kubernetes commands. That is mandatory. So here you can see I'm going inside some. So here I created some Docker folder. These all my pod. So I created a separate folder. So here, this or we can also call microservices. For each microservices, we keeping different pod. So if I'm entering into my microservices folder, so you needed a Docker file. This is a important in Docker image preparation. And then there is one more is batch file. So this is, guys, how I make you your steps are too easy. You no need to run each and every command on every time image preparation. You created me like this, then you will save much amount of hours times, guys. So I will open both Docker file and the WinBatch file. So I will show you what I'm going to do. So this WinBatch file, I'm going to run a batch file in my Windows command prompt, and then this Docker file do the execution inside my the pod. Okay, so these three are jar. Earlier I worked this jar, so I'm going to do the, I'm deleting the remaining jars. Okay, for this is a jar I created a new. I'm going to work on this jar. I'm going to patch this jar inside this Docker file. So for example, we can keep this Docker file is related to some account lookup. Okay, so for freshers, if you are seeing this account lookup, what is account lookup? Means account lookup is one of the microservices in my project. So why I'm saying in my project here, I'm working in some project in my company. So we are calling that account lookup. So I can't explain you much. I will face some legal issues. So that's this much knowledge is fine. If you want, you can DM, you can call me personally. I will teach you. If you people are avoiding calls, I won't do that. Okay. Here you can see Windows batch dot. Sorry, here you can see the batch file. So this is a Docker pull, Docker build, Docker push. These three commands are most important. So this is, guys, I'm going to hide this. Okay, this one is a my registry. Why I will show you this? I can't show you. This is Docker image registry. So I'm hiding this. I have to hide this also. This also. Yeah. I will do these things in it token. So I will show you simply. These are the things you have taken from your image registry, and I show you. This is Docker image. This is Docker image name. So you have to give Docker pool and registry along with your image name first. Then it will execute the build -t and registry name and image name. You must give dot, guys. You must give dot. Don't forget to give this dot. Okay, you must give this dot. Then only it will took where you have to prepare this image. It will ask. It is question mark for that. You have to give dot here like that. So next you have to give, I prepare the image, I have to push. So you have to give Docker push and same registry, and this is a new image name. So here I am telling you, don't confuse, like all are different. First thing is what image you are currently using. That image I added along with the -1. I created a new image. So don't confuse this. Here we can use like this only. Okay. So once it get build image, while build, what will happen? It will build this function while happening. It called this Docker file. This is Docker build. Here it's Docker build is happening. So here you can see it is from this image. From this image, where it will say the work directory. Go inside my web apps. Tomcat, web apps, that war file, and WebInf library. In the copy that file, that cartridge. I told this jar is new. So if the jar is existing already, you have to add one more command like rm, capital rm hyphen r, and give the jar name, and then you have to execute this command. So this is jar we are adding newly. Okay, so after this run ls hyphen l, and you have to give the same jar name. If your jar is already existing, you no need to give your jar name again here. You can remove it, and only you have to give this and above rm hyphen or command. Yeah, here I will type it. Okay, here I will type it. Run rm hyphen rf under the jar name. You have to give this. Before this you can give run ls hyphen list that, and you remove that and copy that. Again you are listing that. That's it. You can save this, and this is batch file. That's it guys, work done. Then you have to go this file microservices. You have to go this file in microservices. Here you can open the cmd, but I will run. You can simply run batch command array batch bin. You can run the bin batch file. That's it. If I give enter, it will started work, and then it will do, and it will show some registry information. I will show you. It will pulling that image and taking those things. I have to hide this guys for legal. Okay, I will show you below. It will come. Yeah, here you can see my image is created. That's it. That's it. This is Docker image. We are pushing some Kubernetes image, so you can understand. That's it. Huh? Yeah. I hope you like this video. You know the formality of YouTube video. Please like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. See you on the next video, guys. Please smile. Take care. I will be there.